Hi, I'm David Goldshaw, President of Oshaw Dental Productions. Here in Canada, I'm looking after the technical education and demonstrations training for the Yates Motloyd, Chicago-based company, manufacturer of some fine products. Yates Motloyd manufactures many great products for the dental lab, and I'd like to talk to you now about the waxes. Now, these waxes are actually made in the United States. And so the Yates Motloyd company has 8 different styles of waxes, and here are 4 of the most commonly used waxes. I'd like to introduce you to the Set-Rite Wax by Yates Motloyd. The Set-Rite Wax in its form is simple and easy to use. It's comfortable in the fact that it softens quickly, and it's perfect for denture construction. Now, what we're going to be using this for is both as a base plate, and of course it's perfect for holding teeth in place, whether they be acrylic or porcelain. Let's give you a quick idea of how the wax is used. The wax itself is available in sheet format of 3 inches by 6 inches, and it comes in a 5-pound box. Taking off a piece of the material, we'll soften this in the flame. The material softens nicely, quickly, and then adapts down well. It also has the ability to cohere to itself nicely without any deformation marks. Once the material is softened, we will then adapt it down over the model and then start our setup for our dentures.